The grounds guys is like family. We all trust each other and care about each other. I absolutely love my job.
It's been very exciting to be a part of the grounds guys. They really help you to build a career path.
The grounds guys has given me this opportunity to go to the next level. They made it feel good to come to work. To have a brothership, sistership with each other, it feels great.
When I first walked through the door, their focus was on being the best landscaping company.
We're very family orientated.
We get together and do a barbecue cookout after work.
Events like that, I think, makes it feel like a family.
We have what they call culture of care. It helps us to keep focused on the most important things, putting the needs of our customers first.
We wanted a backyard oasis. We brought them in, they listened, and now it's a reality.
The process of kind of coming on board with them is very simple. They're always there on time, they're professional, and they really do care about how my yard looks.
We show that we care by putting the needs of our customers first.
By always having a positive and helpful attitude.
And by treating everyone and everything with respect.
By living our code of values, we enjoy life in the process.
It is about caring for your employees, caring for your customers, and that's what makes it successful.
Not only am I doing what I love to do, but we get to put smiles on people's faces at the end of the day, working from the heart.
I like to say we're the best, we're the grounds guys.